Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. Good afternoon to you guys, sorry. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a monthly reading for all the Capricorn Sun Moon Venus rising for the month of January 2026. Not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the same. And for tarot reading course, self-love course and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below in the description box for you guys. So let's start. Cappy is the overall energy for this month for you guys. Let's see the overall energy for this month for Capricorn people. We have the Queen of Wands, the Sun card, Three of Swords, bottom of the deck is the Strength card. You're coming out of a very painful phase of your life and you're manifesting a brand new life. You're manifesting a lot of happiness. You are creating your reality. You're creating your own reality. You're super excited, super happy about the next chapter of your life, next step of your life. You're coming out of a very hurtful and painful phase, right? Now you're super excited, super happy, and super open to the idea of moving to the next chapter of your life in a very positive and healed way. Bottom of the deck is a strength card. So it's taking you a lot of strength and courage to get out of your comfort zone and start living your life again to the fullest. But you are doing it anyway. Now you are feeling like you're ready to move forward. Now you are feeling like you're ready to conquer the world again and you are ready to let go of the pain and the hurt and the painful memories that you are still holding on to, whether it's happened like 3 days ago, 3 months ago, 3 years ago. You were holding on to some kind of painful experiences of your life and now you are ready to move forward, leaving those behind. Okay, that's cool. Let's see in the recent past what was happening, Cappies. Four of Swords, you were just trying to detach and let go and heal yourself. You were just being in this detachment mode and healing mode. Let's see what we have in the current energies. The Emperor, you are just taking a bold taking a bold decision here. You are like, okay, shit happens, life goes on, I have a lot of experiences now I should take the charge of my life in my own hands. Now I should not allow outer circumstances to disturb my peace in any way. Let me see till the 15th of Jan what we have for you people. Two of Pentacles, it's like on and off, in and out, back and forth kind of energy, some kind of confusion, Cappies, regarding something or someone. Let's clarify these cards in order to get the clear picture. Let's clarify the Four of Swords in the recent past for you guys, Cappies. What was happening? We have the Chariot, the Four of Swords, and the King of Wands. You were trying to move forward from a particular person or situation that was very hurtful and painful for you. You were super excited, super open to the idea of moving forward no matter what. So basically you got in that determination energy of no matter what happened to me and no matter what is going to happen next with me, I am going to keep moving forward in my life. And you were kind of wearing your heart on your sleeves and you were like, no matter what is going to come in my way of healing, now I'm going to see that and I am going to do whatever it takes for me to enjoy my life to the fullest, to achieve that goal of happiness in my life. Okay, currently we have the Emperor. Let's clarify this. We have the Knight of Cups, Ace of Wands, the King of Swords. Right now, you're full of love and compassion and forgiving and healing energies. Your intuition is kind of telling you very sharply what you should do and what you should not do in order to achieve the kind of peace that you want in your life. Your heart is completely open, you're super aligned with your intuition. It's like your intuition is razor sharp right now. Whatever your intuition is telling you, you are able to understand it fully, you are able to grab it properly, and you are taking the decision, you are making the bold choices here according to your intuition. It's like you guided by your intuition and you are just flowing with it. And you are super open to the idea of wherever it is taking you, and you're feeling good about it, right? At the same time, you're like, okay, I should not lose my shit. I should just be in control of whatever is happening. Cool. That's good. Let's see by the mid of January 2026 what we have for you guys. Two of Pentacles. Let's see. Cappies. We have the Ace of Swords, the Six of Pentacles, and the Three of Cups. Okay, this is regarding a choice or a decision that you have to make out of two people, two situations, two connections, two bonds, or whatever it is for you guys. It can be a simple choice of choosing between two job opportunities, work opportunity, or doing like business with work also. It can be anything, right? You are going to get the proper clarity. You're going to get the proper answer of what you should choose and how you should choose it. And then you are going to finally find the peace that you're seeking for. Right now, you're super aligned with your intuition. I told you, right? So this is going to help you to figure out the choice or decision that you have to make between two circumstances, two situations. You are going to gain the proper clarity and understanding of what you should be doing in this particular direction, and what you should be choosing, or who you should be choosing, and why. The why is going to be super super clear to you, and that is going to help you to figure out something that you are struggling with, uh, struggling to make the choice with. And eventually you are going to feel, oh my god, it's like the aha moment is going to be there for you guys, where you are going to feel the release and the peace after making the right choice here. Okay, that's a really cool energy, Cappies. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this month. We have Page of Swords, Eight of Swords, and the Two of Pentacles. Okay, you guys are going to keep yourself at a safe distance from some kind of exhausting situation or situations, especially those one. You guys should. Sorry, this is a guidance. So you guys should you should guys should keep yourself at a safe distance from exhausting people, situations, things, and that thing that you have to make a choice or decision about. Please don't make any kind of choice or decision until unless you are going to be mentally and emotionally balanced, mentally and emotionally at peace. Otherwise, you are going to mess this up again. We are humans, we have every right to make mistakes, but mistakes repeated more than twice is not a mistake anymore. It's a habit, it's a kind of a sin in some cases. But try to understand my point here. Take a step back from the situation. Try to clear your head, clear your heart, and understand all the pros and cons of the decision that you're about to make, of the choices that you're about to take, and then move forward accordingly. It will be very, very beneficial and helpful for you. Okay, you have this tendency to make any kind of choices or decision in rush or hurry. Don't do that. Even if you're intuitively very, very connected to your higher self, don't rush in making any kind of choices. You are going to get the answer from within yourself, super 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 clear. And to implement that answer, take your time. Okay, don't be in any kind of rush or hurry just to go ahead and do something as quickly as possible. You might end up ruining that again. Okay, my love, let's see one more message from the angel oracles for you guys for this month, Cappies. We have, this situation doesn't serve you. Release your attachment to the outcome. Consider taking a a more uplifting approach. So there is something here that is not serving you anymore, and you have to let go of it. You already told me about this on and off, in and out thing situation, or the decision that you have to make, right? But release the outcome, release the attachment from the outcome. Whatever is going to happen is going to happen. Whatever choice or decision you are going to make like, be sure that whatever is going to happen is going to be good for your highest good. Okay, and consider taking a more uplifting approach. Consider being in this loving, caring, and nurturing and compassionate kind of energy towards the goal of your life or choice or decision that whatever you are going to take. Uplifting means positive mindset and happy energies. Okay, but grounded. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.